Beulah of Royal Rose House of Tennessee. The freedom fighters fought for the independence of the country. Because of them, we are celebrating Independence Day. India got freedom on 15th August 1947 due to the struggle of the freedom fighters. They had a weapon, non-violence, to fight against the Britishers. They devoted everything for the progress of the nation. There are many famous freedom fighters who fought for their motherland. But let's know about few famous freedom fighters who inspired and encouraged the people to work for their nation. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is a great leader who helped us to get the independence. He always says that work is worship. Truth and non-violence are his weapons against the Britishers. He utilized his time, effort, energy and spirit to achieve the independence of the country. Next, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is also help us to get the independence. He left everything and fought for our independence. He is the first Prime Minister of the India after India got the freedom. Next, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is also a person who helped us to get the freedom, and he is a courageous person. He is a great helper who helped us to get the freedom of our country. Next, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri is also help us to get the freedom. He is the second Prime Minister of the India after India got freedom. He lives a simple life and he helps us more and more. Next, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai is also a person who helps us to get the freedom. She fought for her nation in spite of struggle and hardshipness. She never gave up her nation because of her child, but instead she took him to the war. Her story is help us to learn how she is a brave woman. Does you know what is the aim for all these freedom fighters? Yes, they aim to get this independent country. So thank you. Jai